Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's AJ Wrights Crypto, and this is 4 charts in 4 minutes. First off, I want to take a quick overview. This is the second time we've ever done this segment. I want to take a quick overview of the charts we did last time we did it to look at the progress we've made. This is why you should watch this show. It's a quick flip on how to stay informed on technical analysis and nail down amazing trades in crypto. Starting off with Bitcoin, right here, white circle is where we were last week. And I said we're going to see a $68,000 Bitcoin in the next 7 days. It actually bounced off 69,000 3 days later. Glad we called it. The next one, PAL AI, was in this triangle. White circle is where we were from the breakout, not even from the white circle, but from the breakout of the triangle and support resistance, came all the way up to 38 cents, where the volume profile was at the time. 29-30% gain on PAL on that call. Not bad. Here, right here with Popcat, I was saying, I'm thinking Popcat's going to continue go and head towards the dollar mark. It actually came down, retested the EMA first before it continued, but from where we were to the dollar, actually 99 cents is where it stopped. We still had a 20% call there over the next 4 days. And someone from the Telegram group even sent me this, a 30% win, their first trade in the group. Shout out to that trader. And then lastly, Shiba, I just want you to be aware that it's in this, descending, triangle type setup here. And I want you to make sure you will have this alarmed. So if the day comes when we break out, we are nailing that long, or if we break down, hey, but most of the time, I'd say it's probably 70% of the time, these break to the upside. Just really fast, if you want to join the Telegram group, it's ajalphagroup@gmail.com. And I am turning 33 on July 27th, and I am doing a birthday week discount. If you'd like to join the Telegram group, 27% off for the 27th until Saturday. This is live only until Saturday. Make sure you say in the email, I want the birthday discount. So there you go. Make sure it's giving you guys a present for my birthday. How does that work? I don't know. So here we are for the 4 charts in 4 minutes for today. First off, Dogecoin. I want to point, the visible range volume profile point of control is still, 14% above the current price action 4-hour chart. As always, just had a bull cross on the 4-hour with the EMAs. We have the support resistance level here at 12.7. But guys, this is not just a support resistance level. This is a neckline, inverse head and shoulders break out from Dogecoin, and you pull this down to the bottom line here. Oh, it's not letting me do it because I got to pull the chart down. Got to pull this down to get this entire measured move here from Doge. You pull this measured move up, look where it puts us, right at the visible range volume profile. I think Doge is going to continue and get into the 16-cent range here pretty soon. But the thing is, I want to break my own rule here. And because once you zoom in on Dogecoin, it has had a really sharp move up. And I mean a sharp move up. So we do want to be aware of our surroundings with Dogecoin here. Even when you have that little uptrend drawn and you go to the 4-hour, we are very far above the 50 EMA. I wouldn't be surprised to see Dogecoin maybe come down and bounce off maybe even the support resistance level first. We do have a bearish divergence that formed on Market Cipher. So I'm not saying go along with Dogecoin right now. I think it's possible that it's going to come down first, but I do see if this head and shoulders plays out and the volume are both pointing to the 16-cent level, we're probably going to get there with Dogecoin pretty quick. Next one, Chainlink. For Chainlink, we're also in a triangle type pattern based off the past 134 days. Chainlink has lost 37% considering the local high and its current price right now. But it's interesting, just like Dogecoin, the point of control on the volume profile is very far above where Chainlink's current price in. Actually, we're looking at 29% pump, getting Chainlink back to $18.37 if it pulls that off. But wait, do you guys see what I see? Because I'm seeing kind of something similar to what I saw with Dogecoin. Yep, there it is. Inverse head and shoulders right there for Chainlink. I would say we got a neckline right around here. We're going to pull this down. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to get this measured move up. Measured move's not taking us all the way out. It's taking us right about a little bit past the top of this triangle if that move was to play out, which would be, about 30% pump. Yeah, about 18. Yeah. $18, right? Basically where the volume profile was before. That may or may not play out because it is currently still below the neckline. We want to see it kind of continue out to validate the inverse head and shoulders, but the idea is there, and I want you to be aware of it. And also, unfortunately, we do have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well. So what I would do to monitor Chainlink right now, be aware of the inverse head and shoulders idea. I would just kind of set some local ranges, some alarms right here at 1464, and maybe like at the heart of the range right here at 1380, and maybe trade the break at either side of that conditional range if you're trying to, if you're trying to day trade Chainlink, which most people don't do. All in all, I think Chainlink is a great coin to hodl for the bull run as a hodl coin. I'm not really day trading Chainlink, but I want you to be aware of the setup. Next one on the list is no other than Jasmy. We've done very well with Jasmy here on this channel. As you can see, the blue lines here, we're in this nice little uptrend, kind of having a fight with some support resistance levels here. And a couple things with Jasmy. Well, the idea is here once again, and this 0318 level will serve as the neckline for the inverse head and shoulders on Jasmy. We pull this down, we pull this up, boom. What are we looking at? I mean, we're looking at a fight towards, if it came to there, we would put in a slightly higher low. Actually, it's basically right at, maybe let's not see a double top, but it would be nice for Jasmy to get there from its current price to the top of the measured move. We're looking at a 51% move to just under 4.5 cents. But let's just focus on today with Jasmy right now. It did put in a slightly higher low, a slightly lower high right here, but it is still within the bounds of this uptrend right here. So definitely make sure you have this uptrend set and alarm on your chart at home. And also with the support resistance levels, I would say Jasmy is currently stuck in between these two support resistance levels, which would be a conditional range between a little over 3 cents and a little under 3 cents at 287. Make sure you have the uptrend and the support resistance levels set alarm on Jasmy. And hey, if it gets above 0318 here, that would be a breakout of another inverse head and shoulders. Lastly, the last chart I want to talk about is with WIF. So guys, the 316 level, which is this line right here, has been a magnet for WIF. I caught on to this pretty early, I'd say around April-ish, in on my page and in the Telegram group. Because look, like it goes below 316, 37% down. But then look, from the very bottom, it comes back up. It's a magnet to that level, 66% up. And then every time it gets too far above 316, I say, it's probably going to come back down. Another 12% there. Or hey, it went too far below 316. We probably should long this again. 38% there. Even from right here, 30% here. WIF is a magnet to 316. All right. And now look, it is making its way back up towards 316. But the thing is that it is very far above. It's in a very tight uptrend, which is odd. And it is kind of far above the 50 EMA. Where is my volume profile? Come back, volume profile. So, in these situations, when something moves really sharp like this, even had this nice little, kind of W pattern play out, you do want to be aware of your surroundings in this. This is a situation where, you kind of zoom in here on the 2-hour chart and just make sure you're aware of the 316 idea, that WIF has been a magnet to 316. It's about a 10% pump away from getting there, but just be aware of this uptrend. Definitely the trend is your friend. If you want to, if you want to short in here, realize that is a scalp. If you're going to follow the trend, make sure you have alarms set on each side of this trend line. I would not be surprised to see WIF maybe come down, maybe 260, 250, and then continue on. I do expect a 316 WIF here pretty soon, but make sure, it is pretty far, even on the 2-hour, pretty far above the 50 EMA. Just be aware of the uptrend and make sure you alarm that uptrend with WIF. If you want to micromanage the situation, day trade it, maybe set an alarm here, support resistance at 270, and then set an alarm right above its current price, local high at 289, and trade the break of that range. There is a lot of volume on WIF here on Phemex right here. 11 million, anything over 7 million works for pretty large trades. And you see a lot of these coins here. We didn't talk about ZRO, Popcat, Notcoin. We did talk about Doge, Shiba. We are nailing a new one here, nailing these coins on Phemex over on the Telegram group. If you want to sign up for Phemex, click the link down below in the description. If you want to sign up for the Telegram group, send me an email, ajalphagroup@gmail.com. Remember, 27% off until Saturday for my birthday week. All right, so we did try to cover 4 charts in 4 minutes, but I also wanted to talk about the coins we did before and to kind of keep you informed on everything I'm looking at in technical analysis right now. There's a lot of really, really good trades to be made out there. Make sure you're not predicting, you're not guessing, you're reacting to the market. That is my bread and butter. That's how I've made all my money trading crypto. So with that said, smash the like button, comment down below which coins do you want to see on the next 4 charts in 4 minutes. And next time I'll try to make sure the video is 4 minutes and not 10. But hey, it's a new segment. I'm working it out. Have a safe rest of your day. Get